PowerShell for every system. Let's see what we can find. Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. Let's get PowerShell installed on Windows. Normally I'm on a Ubuntu machine, but fate has pushed me back onto onto a Windows machine, and here I am downloading an MSA file for Windows. So this is downloads PowerShell. Let me just make sure I'm in the right. Okay, good. And click save. And it's on its way. So let's go ahead and open it. And you can see over here, I've got a new window. Welcome to PowerShell, setup wizard, blah, blah, blah. Click next. I'm just going to accept all of the defaults. Add open here. I'm going to add that. Yes. And I'm going to add run with PowerShell. I'm not quite sure what remoting means, so I'm going to let that one stand. Yep. Enable PowerShell. Yep. And click next. Click install. I'm on a ThinkPad P50 with a Xeon CPU, and this machine has 16 gigs of RAM. It wants me to accept my changes. Tick-tocky, we're almost done. All right, and let's go ahead and launch PowerShell. Let's see what it looks like and finish. Okay, so let's pull the window over here, and it looks like it's installed, so help. And let's take a look. Enter. Type to open help online for any commandlet or function type. Type what? Okay. Get help, commandlet, update help, blah, blah, blah. Start PowerShell, run as administrator, type update help. All right, so I'm hitting the enter key to progress through the file. Now let's do a quick search to see if this works. S. Okay, lines. If I could type S, then it goes to lines. I thought it would go for a search. Let's try just line 1 and hit enter. I don't know what just happened, but if I arrow up, you'll see that the help is available again, which is great. Hit enter. Now, if I hit the S key, then it goes to lines. Tab key, nothing is behind it. Let's go to line 3. Maybe it's showing how many lines. No, it's not showing how many lines are. Exit. Nope. Escape. Nope. Enter. Control X. No. Control D. No. Q. Okay. Q kills the PowerShell. Lots to learn here. Brand new install. Hope this has been useful for you. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.